Hey, what is going on YouTube? Hacker007 here. So in today's video, I'll be doing a quick review of this wallet. So this was sent over to us by LD Tech Technology, and as you can see here, this is the Auskang Wallet for Men with Smart Tracker, and this works with Apple's Find My technology. So this is only available on iOS devices, as you know, and I'll be walking you through what's in this box. It's very small, as you can see here. So let's open the box and see what's inside. Alright, so nice little packaging. I actually opened this and couldn't get this to go back on. So nice little packaging here. Let's get that out of the way. So as you can see here, this is beautiful. This has a nice carbon fiber look to it, and it's not big, so this can hold your cards perfectly, as you can see there. Alright, so let's open it. Okay, we have a piece of paper here and another piece in here. I'll get that out after. Alright, so as you can see here, it is really small. It has this little clip here that you can clip to your pants or your pocket, and the interesting feature about this wallet is one that I'm going to be talking about now. So this is the Find My technology, and this works with iOS devices. So you need to have iOS 14 and above to download Find My wallet. So as you can see here, we have a little speaker grill. So this is where the sound would be played in case you misplaced or lost your wallet. And of course, in the end or later on in this video, I'll be showing you how to connect this to your iOS devices. Now this little circle here, that's actually a button. And if you press it once, or press it for a few seconds, so you heard the beep. So that means it's actually trying to connect. Double press, it gives a beep, and that's actually trying to connect to your iOS device. Now, as I've stated, I'm going to show you how to get that connection up and running. But as you can see here, we have a little lever here. So with this, we can actually push out the wallets, or we can actually push out the cards using this little side thingamajig here. So this is very compact. I actually really like it, and I'll definitely recommend it. The links for this will be in the video's description. It's a really nice wallet. So let's look at what the user manual says. It's pretty much giving instructions as to how we would go ahead and connect this device. And as I've stated, this device is Apple certified, so Apple actually recommends using this device with their Find My technology. And as you can see here, these are the instruction in various languages. So there we have a look at what this has in store for us. Of course, you can pause and take a look at this if you want. Let me turn it to the other side. So that's what we have in store. So let's just get this one side. Alright, so as I've stated, this is MFI licensed, and this is by the brand Auskang. So LD Tech Technology Company Limited is actually the company that sent over this wallet, and I'm doing a review. Actually, this is something that I'll definitely use. This is very easy to handle, and I'm pretty sure this would be easy in the pockets. Let me get another wallet to show you how this actually compares. So this is my typical wallet. As you can see how bulky it is compared to the Auskang wallet. So look at the size difference. So my wallet actually has quite a few cards, and I'm pretty sure all those cards could fit inside this wallet pretty easily. This could hold up to 6 cards, I believe, and then we could put money around here or even more cards. So yeah, that's the Auskang men's pocket wallet with tracker. So I'm going to show you how this tracker actually works and how to get it connected. So yeah, if you are interested, the links are in the video's description.
Alright, so it's a little bit of a change of scenery. So to get this connected to the iPhone, what you need to have is, well, the Find My app will be already installed on your device. So once you have the Find My app, you simply click on Add Item, and you could double tap and other search supported items. So we're currently searching for other Find My devices, and as you can see, we have the Find Wallet here. So click on Connect. So click on Continue. Continue. You could simply agree to all these terms and change the name of the device. As you can see here, the wallet is now connected. We could actually play a sound and we could get directions from this. So this is how we connect the Auskang Wallet for men to the iPhone devices. So that's pretty simple. It uses the same Find My technology as iPhones, and the battery in this should last about 5 years. It also has RFID blocking technology, so your cards should be pretty secure. So yeah, that's pretty much it, how we connect this device. So thank you for watching, and thanks for sponsoring today's video. See you guys in the next one.